I'm Michelle with My Sweet Petunia, and I'm demoing the new MISTI. It will be available on May of this year. We've got new features on the MISTI. There's a lip on the side, a little overhang, so it's easy to open up. And there's a little bevel here, so it's easy to close back up. The bar magnet has a storage feature on the side. Our rulers it's actually a molded piece, so it's not a sticker. You can actually hear that it's ridged in there. The grid lines are etched in black. Softer edges on the corners and metal pins on the sides. And I'll just show you very quickly how this works. Your paper goes on the corner here. We put the magnet on the paper to hold it in the same place. You ink up the stamp, which is positioned on the lid of the MISTI. You close it up and stamp. And it's not perfectly done. Now, if you were to have using this with a blog, you'd have to turn it over or throw the piece of paper out. But with the MISTI, you can re-ink the stamp and do it again as many times as you need to in the same place until you get the stamped image the way you want it.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.